what do we do with the spirals in the beginning? And it's a nice way of reflect on, how do we work? Because the method in a way is that we use eurythmy, that the body feels understood, or certain organ systems, certain processes suddenly understand, oh, this person is speaking about me. And that's possible because they are created out of eurythmy. They consist out of eurythmy. And we try to have exercises which we try to do as well as possible without pushing ourselves into abstract ideas of how it should be. And we only try to be as honestly trying as possible. And we only try something, and the system understands what we try and recognizes its own processes and gets motivated to live them because it feels seen and understood in our interest. And we do not, I think we are not aware enough what it means that we are an ego, that we have an I, and that our I, our higher being, is an I, or is working through the I, and its presence means such a lot for the body. And so we go through a set of 4 steps in a way which somehow encompass the theme of the vegetative nervous system or autonomic nervous system. And when you look into embryology, then these forces, when close to the spine, the nerve cells come into existence, you can discriminate parts which spread very quickly towards the direction of the brain, and they're just like an explosion. They multiply and or like light shattering everywhere. This radiant quality. And then you have another group of nerve cells which start migrating. They form groups and they move to another place, creating networks there. And these are the nerves which create the vegetative nervous system. So it's not radiating somewhere, it's making one's way to a place. And in a spiral, and this will I show afterwards, this somehow starting to go somewhere, being on the way, and then we will focus today on arriving. And then I do not just arrive and I'm here, but I arrive in a way where a calmness comes into existence, a calmness which starts to create a mood of perception. And this is actually what the nervous system is doing, working through perceiving something. And through this, creating the vessel. So this is the spiraling. We want to create a sort of image of this process, which is not the way it was done, but where this nervous system can recognize an attitude it has itself in it. And then we do it on we do the spirals in a 4-fold way, walking through a square, because this 4-ness in a way addresses that the etheric forces through creation of the world made a step through 4 metamorphoses of 4 steps, and they are still present, but they go deeper and deeper and deeper, and by a 4-ness we acknowledge the light which is flowing through this nervous system has 4 qualities.